ఇప్పుడు ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో perspective is now set with the precious words of our dignitaries. It is the time for the key highlight, the actionable part which is going to keep all of us on our toes, the signing of Memoranda of Understanding. Today, sir, 7 companies belonging to all 3 stages in the horticulture sector have come forward and they have expressed their interest, sir, in partnering with the district administration and becoming an important stakeholder in the Ananta's journey of becoming an engine from a hub. From data analysis nunchi, evidence-based decision making, eco-friendly and climate resilient farming, including the infrastructure and capacity building of our farmers, every MOU signed today in its own positive way. Mana farmers, they are going to hold our hands of the farmers throughout the value chain till the time Anantapuramu's horticulture produce will reach their rightful place in the global map. The MOU is a bipartite one which will be signed by both the parties. On one hand, district administration led by Collector Sir and District Magistrate Anantapuramu Dr. Vinod Kumar Sir, and on the other hand, the firm. With the presence of Chief Guest Minister Sir, Special Chief Secretary Sir, and all the honorable MLAs, the companies on the dais. First up for signing and exchange, I request the dignitaries to please step forward. We have the firm Micro Algae Solutions India Private Limited, represented by Debabrata Sarkarji, President Asia Pacific. The PDAPM IP Garu to be please ready with the MOU to hand over the MOU to both the parties. So this Micro Algae Solutions India Private Limited is signing our first MOU. Innovative microalgae based biofertilizer and biostimulants will revolutionize dry farming in Anantapuram by enhancing the soil health and promoting sustainable agriculture. With plans to train farmers, establish pilot projects, and support local biofertilizer production. This collaboration will significantly benefit the district's horticulture ecosystem. Welcoming them on board, huge round of applause for the first MOU of Anantapuramu Horticulture Conclave. Welcoming them on board and appreciating Masi's efforts, we look forward to a meaningful and productive partnership. Microalgae Solutions India Private Limited, the first Memorandum of Understanding. Second up, may I invite Siddhartha Reddy Garu from Siddhartha Cold Care to please step on to the dais. It is a privilege to sign our second MOU with Siddhartha Cold Care led by S. Siddhartha Reddy Garu. Siddhartha Cold Care is a key player in the pre-cooling and the cold storage of export quality fruits. Their state-of-the-art facility and partnerships with major exporters ensure that Anantapuramu's horticulture produce meets global standards. We welcome you, Siddhartha Cold Care. I am pleased to invite Sri K. Srinivas Rao Garu, Managing Director, Kosuri Balaji Agro Foods Private Limited, to join the dais and become our third partner. Huge round of applause as Ananta is signing her third MOU. We proudly welcome Kosuri Balaji Agro Foods Private Limited, represented by Sri K. Srinivas Rao Garu, to join us. They will do expertise in fruit exports, including mangoes, bananas, and melons. They will provide local farmers with access to global markets and higher remunerative prices, with plans to establish an integrated pack house for fruit processing. Welcome, Kosuri Balaji Agro Foods. May we now have the privilege of inviting Sri Raja Chandji, representing Green Gurukulam LLP. We are honored to enter into our fourth firm for an MOU, Green Gurukulam LLP, represented by Sri Raja Chand Chilveru. This partnership aims to strengthen the fruit value chain in Anantapuram, providing farmers with better market access, quality production support, and post-harvest infrastructure by building farmer capacity and analyzing key production data. We are excited to call upon our penultimate partner, Agro Life Science Corporation. I am pleased to welcome Sri M. Prasad Garu, retired state head for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana region from Agro Life Sciences Corporation, to join the league. Represented through this MOU as a leading provider of crop protection chemicals, specialty fertilizers, and biofertilizers, the company will ensure Anantapuramu's farmers will access high-quality agricultural inputs. Next up, I am honored to invite the firm AnanaFit, a natural fiber cluster represented by Sri C. Shekhar Garu, State Head, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana region. I request all the dignitaries who signed the MOUs to stay for one group photograph on the dais, please. We are delighted to sign our 6th MOU with Anana Fit, a pioneer in sustainable textiles specializing in banana fiber extraction and processing. Led by Sri Sekhar, the company brings innovation to Anantapuramu by promoting eco-friendly farming, creating storage solutions, and training farmers in fiber processing techniques. This partnership will empower the local farmers with new income opportunities, minimizing the agricultural waste and contribute to a greener economy. We sincerely thank Anana Fit for their commitment and look forward to a productive collaboration. The final MOU, the 7th one. May I invite Puro Natural Retail Private Limited, represented by Sri C.H. Mohan Ranga, Procurement Manager, Hyderabad. Wait. The 7th company, Puro Natural Retail Private Limited, represented by Sri C.H. Mohan Ranga, Procurement Manager, Hyderabad. Puro Natural Private Limited operates a comprehensive procurement and distribution network for fresh fruits and vegetables across the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Next up, sir, the final MOU, Puro Natural Retail Private Limited operates a comprehensive procurement and distribution network for fresh fruits and vegetables across the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The company's business model focuses on direct sourcing from the farmers, ensuring a consistent supply of high quality produce while supporting local agricultural communities. Now, may I request all the 7 companies which have signed the MOUs on the first Ananta Horticulture Conclave 2025 to come for a group photograph with the chief guest, program chair, program mentor, honorable MLAs. May I request all Micro Algae Solutions India Private Limited, Debabrata Sarkar ji, Siddhartha Kolkir, Siddhartha Reddy Garu, Sri K. Srinivas Rao Garu, Kosuri Balaji Agro Foods Private Limited, Sri Raja Chandji Green Gurukulam LLP. Each one of these MOU is going to be a significant step toward enhancing Anantapuramu's horticultural landscape. We thank all our partners and eagerly anticipate the positive impact these initiatives will bring to the farmers and the district Ananta in her journey of becoming an engine from a hub. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. With the signing of MOUs, I request all the dignitaries to please remain on the dais. The companies, please push forward for the sessions. With the signing of MOU, sir, the district is future ready, as the gears are now ready to be shifted and a new journey is about to begin. It is extremely important, Manandro, we have to hold back and recognize the contributions of our beloved horticulture farmers of Anantapuram, organizations and firms who are source of inspiration, who showed us the possibilities, hard earned us the title of the fruit bowl of Andhra Pradesh, and brought the district to the status of hub and also the major reason behind all of us gathering here.